Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We welcome you to yet another series of College Dunia Thoughtful Leaders. Today, with us, we have a very special guest. We have Dr. Singh with us, who is the Vice Chancellor of SGGS University, World University. We welcome to you our show, sir. It's a pleasure to have you on board with us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So, sir, being the Vice Chancellor of SGGS World University, what is your philosophy of leadership and how would you describe your leadership style?
Uh, Arun, I believe that a leader is the one who inspires his team members with his own actions, achievements, and above all, his innovative ideas. Here I am deliberately using the words team members and not subordinates as the team because a good leader is the one who takes his subordinates as his team and on that behalf take them along in every decision and action. Concerning my leadership style, I firmly believe in and follow what I have said just now. If my actions inspire my team members to aspire for higher goals and to achieve bigger dreams, I think I am successful in leading them, and this is how I work in Sri Granth Sahib World University, Fatehgarh Sahib. I lead by example.
That's amazing. Very well put, sir. Thank you so much for that. And being the Vice Chancellor of SGGS World University, how do you strategize about the key programs and the plans for the marketing and administration of your university?
Well, we at Sri Granth Sahib World University believe in holistic growth of our students. Keeping this in mind, we have formulated different strategies not only for the academic curricular but also for the co-curricular activities. These activities are organized through seminars and conferences, cultural activities, sports, besides classroom teaching that help our students to grow as a complete human being, a bright professional, and a good, sensitive human. Here, students do not cram up their subject knowledge, but we help them to live their interests and help them to develop passion for the subject. Our students are our pride, their achievements and their position status in corporate sector and social life is our advertisement. We believe in publicity through the word of mouth of our students. That's why our students are placed in highly reputed companies at a good package. Besides our students, the achievements in research and the teaching excellence itself speak of the hard work and excellence of our university. In future too, our plan of marketing is through excellence in teaching and research and the word of mouth of our stakeholders, particularly our students.
That's amazing, sir. And sir, how does the curriculum of SGGS World University ensure the best practice of the industry?
As I told earlier, we believe in holistic growth of our students. The curriculum designed by the university is very specific about the needs of the students and is very efficiently deals with the demands of the industry. We have developed a thorough system of feedback in which we collect feedback from the industrial sector, focusing on their requirements, their preferences and needs from time to time. As per the feedback collected, timely revisions and updations are made in the curriculum of the university programs. Besides, our students visit different industries and interact with their officials as well as workers so that they gain first-hand knowledge of the industry and to understand their own positioning there. This helps them a lot to work on those areas where they feel lagging. Our faculty is wholeheartedly dedicated to uplift our students to the expectations of the industry. We have also formulated an advisory committee from the industry and we have included the industry experts in all the board of studies in different subjects.
That's amazing, sir. Thank you so much for that insight. And what do you think your roles and responsibilities to the institutions and the students are?
My role here, I believe, is similar to that of a father of a family. A student who has been enrolled in this institution is now deemed to be my child, and this brings in my responsibility to make sure that each and every student is groomed well, is taken care of, and given all that facility, the knowledge that is essential for him or her to be successfully placed not only in the professional career but in society too. With this approach, I am working for the last 9 years in the university. This, I believe, is my responsibility that I should turn every stone which is essential to place this university among the top ranking universities of the world.
That's amazing, sir. That's very well said. And what do you think should be the university's top priority over next 10 years?
The top priority of SDGSWU is and will always be the satisfaction, success, and well-being of its students. Either it is now or after 10 years, we will keep dedicatedly serving the youth and help them shaping their careers and to come out gloriously in their lives.
That's amazing, sir. And what would you like people to know about your university they may not know?
Though the university has already made a name at the local and the national level, specifically in the northern region, and we are getting very positive feedback from all levels. Yet I believe that I must here tell that the university is run by Shomni Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee, which is managing the affairs of the Golden Temple Amritsar. SDPC is a charitable institution and we focus on imparting quality education. There is no compromise over quality and the well-being of our students. We offer many scholarships to the needy and meritorious students. Besides this, I am proud of my faculty. Most of them are either PhDs or NET qualified. We also have postdoctorate faculty members. They are bringing laurels to the institution through patents, prestigious awards, projects, and publications in globally reputed and high impact journals.
Thank you so much for that insight, sir. I really hope students who are looking to take admission actually, hears about it and can help them with their decision-making process while selecting HGS University as one of their dream colleges. And so, what do you see as your university's greatest strengths?
The greatest strength of the university is the students. Their satisfied faces blooming with confidence and their polished minds brimming with knowledge. Second, the greatest strength is the faculty of the university, of whom I am literally proud for their achievements, dedication, and hard work. Third, the infrastructure that we provide to our students is unmatched in the area. We have state-of-the-art lab equipment and sports infrastructure. Last but not the least, the visionaries in our top management are also our greatest support.
That's amazing, sir. And so, how do you tend to establish a healthy relation and environment in your university?
Karan, establishing a healthy relation and environment in such a big institution is a sensitive issue. Indeed, what I believe, if we care for our team members, our students and parents, and if we make sure that no person associated with us be harassed or is disturbed due to our action, we can develop an excellent relationship. Another thing that I firmly believe and follow is that discipline should not be compromised at any cost. If we maintain discipline and always try to help others in a best possible way, we are successfully running the institution. We at SDGSWU always ensure that the issues of students and their parents, faculty and staff are properly and timely addressed. The faculty of the university also follows this approach, and I am very happy that they have emerged as a very good team that I can boast of. Also, I want to tell here that in the last 9 years of the start of academic session, the university has seen no protest by the students, staff. They are all very satisfied with the programs and policies of the university.
That's amazing, sir. Thank you so much for sharing those insights with us. And just before we end this interview, I just want, a small message. Is there any message which you would like to give out to these future students who are looking to go to their dream colleges?
My only message to the youth is that is the right time to polish your skills and to outshine in your career. You are at that time of your life where with the right guidance and direction, you can make your parents proud of. I advise the youth to avoid drugs, immoral activities, and nowadays a very serious distraction in the form of online gaming. So my only advice to you is to recognize yourself, your skills and your potentials, and train yourself to a brightest future while remaining connected to your roots, your culture and heritage, and make your parents and your institution proud of you. You are always welcome to Sri Gansa World University for academic, professional, personal, or any kind of help you may require. We are here to serve you, to serve the country. So feel free to come and share your aspirations with us. Good luck.
That's amazing, sir. Thank you so much for that wonderful message. I really hope that students could actually take something out of that message and implement in their life for good. And with this, I would like to wrap this interview up. Before I do that, I would like to thank you so much for being a part of this Thoughtful Leaders series. And I must say that it was a pleasure to have you. It was a great session. Thank you so much for your presence, sir.